That glossy orange dollar store pumpkin is screaming cheap plastic from across the room. Here's how florists trick your eye into seeing ceramic and stoneware for under $10. Step 1. Strip the shine. Spray your plastic pumpkins in gourds with flat matte spray paint in charcoal, sage, or terracotta. 2 light coats 10 minutes apart. Matte finish is the single biggest trick that reads as expensive stoneware instead of plastic. Step 2. Build height with dried stems. Grab faux wheat, pampas, or eucalyptus picks from the dollar store and arrange them in odd numbers, tall in back, short in front, inside a plain glass or ceramic vase. Varying height is what separates a bouquet from a cluttered bunch. Step 3. Layered texture with natural elements. Hot glue pine cones and cinnamon sticks around the base of your vase and wrap jute twine or burlap ribbon over any visible plastic seams. Rough, tactile textures next to smooth painted surfaces is what makes a vignette feel curated. Step 4. Style the final vignette. Cluster your matte pumpkins, dried arrangement, and unscented dollar store candle in a real glass holder on a wooden tray, grouping everything in odd numbers at different heights. This is the same trick stagers use to make a shelf photograph like a magazine spread. Pro tip: resist the urge to use everything you bought. 3 to 5 well-placed pieces beat 10 crowded ones every time. What's your favorite dollar store decor hack? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.